Okay, so this is going to be an update on my 5-blade Casablanca Zephyr. About a little over a month ago, I installed it in my breakfast area. I took down the Evergo Emperor, and I shipped it off to another collector. And it's hanging from a post-recall hang true, so you don't have to worry about it falling out of the ceiling. And got the IT switch right here. And I just have to patch and paint around there. And here's the light. And it's currently on speed 3, which is what we usually keep it on. And there's Parker. Parker! Hey. Well, that's pretty much it.